This desk is a 20 input, 8 output desk. These are the mic amps with their associated faders, and then further to the right you've got the output faders, and in the centre in here was the monitoring section, which has completely disappeared, and talkback and master foldback control. If I take one of the input units out, there would have been 2 amplifiers that plugged in here. We have all the amplifiers. This is the most interesting part. This is the EQ section. It's probably worth mentioning that the amplifiers in here, 2 things about that. Firstly, all the amplifiers in the desk, bar 2, were exactly the same. And secondly, even though this was made in 1966 and we're now in 2011, none of them need recapping. This area down here has been modified, although on this particular unit the modification's hardly noticeable, it's quite tidy. In some of the units the wiring is a complete and utter disaster. The output unit, as you can see, had 5 amplifiers in here. Some of these had, if you like, mini amplifiers, 2 amplifiers on 1 card. As you can see, it is fairly complicated. These are reed relays, wetted reed relays. Email me if you don't know what a wetted reed relay is. This one hasn't been modified, except somebody's undone the lacing there. But some of these units have been modified out of recognition. And so the only thing for me to do is to strip these down completely and rebuild them. And that of course takes time. If I take a fader unit out, here we have an old-fashioned Payton 600 ohm constant impedance fader. The mic amp went in there, mic gain switch. This is a switch, this is the insert switch, which on this desk was just labelled A and B. These units incidentally all work, except I am changing them because I think it's more useful, rather than have the insert here, to have a phase reversal switch here.